Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to learn how to make resin geode coasters inspired by these beautiful black and brown gemstones. For the first part of this pour, I used resin colored with dark brown alcohol ink and poured around the edges of 3 of my silicone coaster molds. Try to stay as close to the edge as possible. Next, I used resin colored with dark brown-black pigment paste and poured around the remaining 2 coaster molds. I also used this color to pour a ring in the other 3 coasters. Next, I used the resin I have colored with Casting Craft white pigment and pour a ring within each of the coaster molds. Finally, I add a ring of resin that I have colored with gold pigment powder to each of the resin molds. Try to keep the center clear of resin if possible. Next, from about 6 inches above your coaster molds, pour clear resin into each of the molds, filling up the molds to the rim. If you have any leftover colored resin, pour quick circles into your resin molds to make some extra effects. Use a heat gun or torch lighter to pop any bubbles in your resin. Remember not to hold the heat in one spot for too long, as it may burn your resin and ruin your piece. Finally, add embellishments of your choice into the center of each coaster mold. Here, I'm using micro beads in gold and brown. Use a torch lighter or heat gun one more time quickly over the surface to pop any bubbles caused by adding your embellishments. And let cure for 24 hours before demolding. Here, I demold my pieces and you can see the final results. If you're interested in purchasing any of my artwork, please visit craftelotresinco.com. Also, if there is any resin technique that I can help you learn on YouTube, please leave a comment below. I really appreciate any likes, and please subscribe to my channel.